Hey, what's going on, Street Drip Squad? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, we are here at the HQ, being home base. I'm going to show you guys something very special today. Look at this. Gonna give you the sneak peek. Little sneak peek. Can y'all see it? There you go. You know what that is. We're getting that steering wheel installed today, guys. Super excited for that. We're gonna take it out to O-Star. They're gonna hook your boy up. So that's where we're heading out right now. So this is gonna be exciting, guys. I've been waiting for this for super long. I'll tell you guys a story on the way. But man, it's been a journey, and hopefully today can be the final piece of this puzzle where we can get this installed and, man, have one of my all-time dreams come true, which is definitely getting a carbon fiber steering wheel. So stick around, stay tuned. All right, guys, so to begin the story, pretty much back when I was in Boston, I had the opportunity to get a carbon fiber steering wheel. I was this close to getting it installed, and we came to find out that that aftermarket steering wheel didn't have the heated steering wheel option or the plug for it. So that would have set my lights off, and I didn't want to do that. So we didn't go ahead and move with that. So ever since I pretty much almost got it on and felt it, man, it just changed me, and it just changed like the feel of the car. And I always wanted to get that back, and I told myself, you know, I'm definitely gonna do it. Fast forward the move and everything going on, and I kind of just forgot about it. I know I wanted it still, but it wasn't like, you know, in the front of my mind to go ahead and pull that trigger and do it. So I was tossing it around, looking at different places, trying to find good pricing on it. And some of the places I was looking at was like, it was crazy. It was almost more expensive than my wheels that I got. So I was like, you know what, let me hold off. Let me just keep the stock steering wheel, which I did. And I started going to more meets and more events, and seeing that carbon on the steering wheel, especially after my boy Israel got his, man, that like opened my eyes up. I was like, you know what, I think it's the time. So I went back in, just started looking around, and found a spot that actually gave me a really good price and a really good deal on shipping and everything else. So that was another thing. Some of these companies wanted like crazy for the shipping. So, but anyway, we're here today. We got the steering wheel. We're going to O-Star. They're the shop that's gonna put it on. They are super incredible guys. They take care of you. They respond. When you're trying to make an appointment, they'll work with you, try to get you in as quick as possible. And the prices are amazing. They're straight up with their pricing. There's no BS behind it. So that's another reason why they did my exhaust install, as you can hear. And also, if you haven't gone watch that video, make sure you watch that on the AWE exhaust install. Big change to the car. Definitely made it come alive and sound crazy. But yeah, man, they're good guys over there. They got a good team. They do their work, and I could tell they, you know, attention to detail is there as well. I did go to another shop that shall remain nameless, and they couldn't get it done.
Really? Say, congratulations, you played yourself.
So that puts me in the position where I'm at today. I always say everything happens for a reason. So I guess this is the reason, is to go back to who you know and what you know, and who you feel comfortable working on your car. And yeah, guys, it's O-Star. They're not paying me for this. This is just straight out the heart, just showing love for them, because they always show love for me, and I appreciate it. And they also let me film there, which is really cool as well. So I definitely appreciate that. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited for it. Can't wait to get there, get this thing on, and start driving and feel like, damn, a whole new car again. So I'm taking you guys along the ride, bumpy rides as we are here on these roads. It's one thing I hate about the turnpike. Sometimes you catch these little pockets at the roads. You're like, what the hell's going on here? Look at that. But yeah, guys, we'll see you out there. Enough wasting time, enough chattering. Stick around. All right, guys, we pulled up to the new location, and look what's out here. Yes, sir, Audi gang. Crazy RS6 right here. This thing is so nasty. Damn. guys, so as you can see, the car is here. And what does it mean when the car is here? It's done. Time for the big reveal. You guys ready? Hold up, let's get that door open. Ooh, yo, that looks so crazy. Damn, I love it. Sick. This drive home is gonna be definitely sentimental. Got the stripe right there, carbon. Look at that, crazy detail. Got the red stitch, and you got the blacked out logo to match the blackout on the outside as well. And they got the S on there as well. Take a look at that detail, guys. So crazy. Let's get a quick B-roll of this. Oh my God, guys. Woohoo! Look at this. Man, it feels so crazy. I'm telling you, it feels like I just bought a new car. Wow. And you know what it is. We got a straight road.
Quarter mile, turn left onto US 92, Highway 17.
Jeez. Yes, sir.
429 south.
Oh, man.
You are on the fastest.
This feels so crazy. The grip on it, definitely, it feels like a new car.
Take the next left.
Wow.
US 92.
This GPS gotta shut up. Holy crap, look at the detail, guys. Killed it. So if you must know, the steering wheel's from Ask Carbon. Like, ask a question, ask Carbon. That's where I got it from. They definitely came through with the quality on this. Man, everything just feels so tough. Wow, I love the bottom here. Got the little hips, and you can feel the indents up top here on the fingerprints. Wow, I'm loving it, guys. And of course, there's traffic, so I gotta try to beat this traffic, and hopefully I can get that done. There we go.
Continue on US 92 for 3
Wow. Oh man. Makes the driving experience, look at that, so much better.
Turn right onto Florida 46 West.
And of course, it starts raining a little bit, but it's Florida, that's what happens here. Wow, guys. This feels amazing, man. I'm super excited, like shaking. It feels like I gotta bring the car back like it's not mine. I'm driving somebody else's. This is so crazy. Sheesh. Insane. Long time coming, but it's finally here.
At the light, turn right
Man.
onto Florida 46 West.
Y'all gotta hit a like for that. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Wow, guys, I'm telling you, if you got an aftermarket steering wheel or the idea of doing it, do it. It looks so crazy. And I love the idea of keeping the stock paddles as well. Comes out a lot higher. The ones that it came with are actually really tiny. So we swapped that out to these stock ones. So I still get to use my stock ones, which the way I had it actually looks and fits really nice with this wheel. Oh
Continue
man,
on
we are
Florida 46
moving.
West for 2 miles.
Yes, sir. Ready for the shows. Got to get her washed. And see you guys this weekend at the car meet. Went to Garden Cars and Coffee. Yes, sir. We are ready. Woo! And sheesh. You know what it is, guys. We got to give you the freeway pulls. Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo. The grip game is crazy.
Pause.
Pause. Wow. This steering wheel feels amazing, guys. Man, I'm so glad I did it. It took a long ass time to finally get here today through all my journey and process of getting the steering wheel, but I'm so glad it happened the way it did, just because I appreciate it so much more right now, man. Look at the way the sun's hitting that carbon. Woo-hoo. Yes. Damn, and I love this blacked out logo. So crazy. That's a crazy touch right there. Just tops everything off right there. Man, makes me want to, I don't even want to go home. I'm going to keep driving all night. Sheesh. Guys, I'm going to keep saying it. This is tough. You have no idea. This is tough. Just, man, this is a big difference between stock steering wheel and this. you notice it, and it's a better notice. Sorry, it's a better improvement. I can't even talk right now. Between having the subs added to the car and this, man, that's a tough decision. I don't know which one is more of my favorite. Probably slightly this, because I'm seeing it all the time, and you know, my hand is here, so I have to use it all the time. But these are definitely my two favorite mods of the car, is between this and the subs that I added. So crazy. Obviously everything else, but I see this all the time, and then the subs, you hear it all the time, so that's a little bit different. All right guys, here's a better view. The sun is facing the opposite way, and I finally came to a stop. Stopped driving. Didn't want to, but I wanted to show you guys this. Man, look at that. Sexy. So crazy. Look how fat the bottom is right here.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
And you got the flat. I love it. Came out so clean. Guys, look what I just found in my grill over here. What the hell? That thing is huge. Crazy ass bug right there. Massive. I don't know what that is, but definitely need to wash. Don't worry about that. Gonna get that done. Just was in a hurry and excited to get this installed, so we are here today. But huge shout out to All-Star, guys. Definitely come out if you guys got any upgrades or tuning or pretty much anything, modifications you want to do to your car. They even got wheels. He just showed me that they're rolling out too. So that's pretty crazy, man. Real good guys here. They do excellent quality work. They take the time with their car, and not only do they take the time, but they do it right. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe, give them a follow as well, smash that like. Street Drip, we'll see you on the next one. We're out.